Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add aim point on your Acer XB241H. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the second button on our screen right here, then go for the input with the second button again. Now scroll down with the second button yet again. Go for the LOSD settings right here and press the fourth button to open them. Now scroll all the way down to the aim point and press the fourth button again. Now when you'll be pressing the second or right button, you'll be moving to the left or right and changing the aim point icon right here visible in the middle of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.